Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Carly. For anyone who is new, thank you so much for watching. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I organize my closet for fall and winter. I just pull out all my fall and winter clothes, get rid of the summer clothes, and also made a pile of clothes that I want to sell on Poshmark, as well as just a DI pile. And I just want to show you guys kind of how I lay things out and organize everything, and then I'm going to do a little room tour for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So the first thing I need to do is I just bought this new shelf right here at Home Goods this morning. It's been a very productive morning. And I just pulled out all my winter sweaters and clothes. They're all in these boxes right here. So the goal is to take everything out of my closet that's like summery and put all my sweaters and everything in my closet. And then, well, this is for my sweaters. Any other wintry clothes are going to go in here. All the summery clothes are going to go back in these white boxes. My shoes that are very unorganized, I'm going to take out all my sandals and stuff, put them away, pull out all my boots and everything like that. And then I'm just going to kind of switch out some of the clothes on this rack. So everything that I put out is going to be all my fall stuff. So I'm going to start by pulling out all my summer stuff. I'm just going to make a pile, and then anything that I don't want, I'm going to make a DI pile or a Poshmark pile. So let's do this. This is my Poshmark pile, and this is my summary pile of all the stuff I need to put in these boxes once I empty them. I'm going to take all the stuff, like my sweaters, my dresses, anything that needs to be hung in the closet. So I have all these boxes. I'm going to start hanging everything in the closet. Just added a few things. I don't have a ton of stuff to hang right here because a lot of my stuff is winter sweaters. I love sweaters more than anything. I did have a few wintry fallish dresses, so I added those here and I kind of organized it. I don't know, it kind of looks like it needs to be color coordinated a little better, but oh well. And then here's my little sweater shelf. Here's all the sweaters. I'm going to start folding them and putting them on my new sweater shelf. Bugging me that they were sticking out, so I just figured out a way to put them in without them sticking out. So what I do, let's make sure you can see, I'm gonna use this one because that one's shorter. So I just like pulled it out, and then I just took the bottom half and folded it up just a little bit, and then I folded the top over it. So far I think it looks so pretty as I fall over. I did light to dark, and then I also did like as much of a gradient as I could. Oh, This one probably needs to go down. I'm kind of getting a little OCD, so I need to calm down. So it's like the rainbow. It goes like lights to pink, blue, green, and then black. So there you go. Okay, I'm just gonna take all the summer shoes, put them in this bin, and then just make them as organized as I can.
I got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. It broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Okay, I finally finished. It looks really good. I'm really excited to show you guys, so I'll just kind of give you guys a whole room tour and also show you what I did within, like, with all my winter clothes and everything. So I'll just start in my closet. I have some jeans here. I like to go from dark to light. I have all my fall and winter dresses pulled out right here. Everything right here is just like perfect for fall and winter. I have some bags up here, a hat, some scarves in this little basket. This little acrylic container is full of like skincare stuff. And then you guys can see what I put in these baskets in my other closet video. So this is kind of all I have right now, which is totally fine. But yeah. And then my hats and a belt are here. Here's some bags. You guys have seen this all in my closet video. Anyway, so that's what my closet looks like. It's nice and clean. Here's my favorite part of the room. I made this big board. I just got a big piece of, I think it's foam core. I got it from Office Max. And then I just like made a collage with some magazine stuff, and I just used a glue stick to put them on. And then here's my sweaters. So I have all the sweaters in the first two. I figured out how to consolidate them. And then right here's all my scarves, and I also have just some hats and stuff up here. So that's what that is. And then I just put my little bag up here and some cute books. And then right here I like to put my favorite clothes or my new clothes or just things I like to wear. So I just got this rack on Amazon and I like it, and I also like to keep all my hangers the same. And then down here I like to put my new shoes, and then that's just my work bag. And I don't know if I've really showed too much of my desk, but here's my desk. I love it. This is where I get ready for work every morning. I just come in here first thing, start putting on my makeup. I have my makeup in here, some skincare stuff in this drawer, my jewelry in this drawer, my favorite skincare products that I use every day right here, my lipsticks. I've showed you guys this before, just some hair stuff, contacts, makeup in there. And then right here is like my perfume slash favorite skincare stuff as well. So I just got into this new perfume. I've been wearing this one every day. Chanel No. 5. I feel so fancy and I love it. And this little picture I got from Pinterest. I think it's so cute. And that's my updated room tour, as well as my like fall winter closet organization. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.